Datalist tag genuinely provides real native autocomplete suggestions for a text input without any actual JavaScript. In this video, you'll build a real working autocomplete field. The real list attribute genuinely connects this input to a datalist sharing that actual same ID. Each real option genuinely becomes an actual suggested autocomplete value as the user types into the connected input. Unlike a real select tag, a datalist connected input genuinely still accepts any actual custom typed value, not just the suggestions. Datalist tag genuinely provides real native autocomplete suggestions. The inputs list attribute genuinely connects it to a matching datalist ID. Unlike select, users can genuinely still type any real custom value. Build a real datalist-powered autocomplete field with 5 suggestions. Ready to display the real result of a calculation with output?